Hello, these vegetables look fresh and colorful today.
Hello, miss. Yes, they arrived early this morning.
How much is 1 kilo of tomatoes?
It is $2 per kilo today.
That price sounds fair to me.
Would you like red or green tomatoes?
I prefer red tomatoes for cooking.
Okay, I will give you good ones.
Please also add ½ kilo potatoes.
Sure, these potatoes are very fresh.
Can you give me a small discount?
I can reduce a little for you.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Are you buying anything else today?
Yes, I need some green chilies.
Here you go, fresh and spicy.
That is enough for today.
I will pack everything nicely.
How much is the total amount?
The total is $5 only.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Please check your bag.
Everything looks good.
Come again next time.
I surely will.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, miss.
This mall looks big and busy today.
Yes, many people come on weekends.
I want a simple top.
Let us check this store first.
I like light colors more.
This blue one looks nice.
Yes, the fabric feels soft.
Try it in your size.
I will try medium size.
The fitting rooms are there.
I will be quick.
Take your time.
How does it look on me?
It looks perfect and neat.
I feel comfortable wearing this.
Then you should buy it.
Let us check the price first.
The price tag looks reasonable.
Yes, it fits my budget.
Shopping is fun together.
I agree with you.
Shall we see shoes next?
Maybe next time.
Okay, no problem.
I will go to billing counter.
I'll wait here.
Thank you for helping me choose.
Anytime, Millie.
Let us leave after this.
Sure, let us go.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Yes, miss. How can I help you?
I am looking for shoe section.
It is on the second floor.
How can I reach there?
Use the escalator near the food court.
Thank you for explaining clearly.
You are welcome.
Is there a restroom nearby?
Yes, it is behind that store.
That is very helpful.
Anything else you need?
Is there a sale today?
Yes, many stores have discounts.
That sounds great.
Enjoy your shopping.
I will, thank you.
Please be careful with crowd.
Yes, I will.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Take care.
Thanks again.
Always happy to help.
This mall is easy now.
I'm glad to hear that.
See you.
See you.
Excuse me, is this brand good?
Yes, I use it often.
I am checking prices carefully.
That is a good habit.
This one seems cheaper.
But quality matters too.
You are right about that.
Sometimes cheap items break fast.
I want something lasting long.
Then choose the middle price.
That sounds smart.
Are you buying for yourself?
Yes, it is for daily use.
Then comfort is important.
I will test it once.
Take your time.
Thank you for your advice.
You are welcome.
Shopping alone feels hard sometimes.
Talking helps decide better.
I feel confident now.
Good luck with your choice.
I will buy this one.
Nice choice.
Have a good day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Happy shopping.
Same to you.
Hello, I want to pay for these.
Sure, miss. Please place items here.
Here you go.
Do you have membership card?
No, I do not have one.
That is okay.
How much is the total?
The total is $20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payment is accepted.
Here is my card.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Payment successful.
Thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt.
The shopping experience was nice.
We are glad to hear that.
Staff here is helpful.
Thank you very much.
I will come again.
We will be happy to serve you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you next time.
See you.